Now templates. This is where we can view all templates. Like the task creation, I will be creating a new template now. Here, giving it a name. Choosing the workflow. You can see all versions of the workflow in the drop-down, which means you can also create templates with the older versions. This selectable in task list checkbox, located under the comments section, allows you to make this template appear as a task in smart glasses for Frontline worker. I can now assign this template to a team or a member. As it is saved now, when I click on the template I can view the details and edit it. Here is where we can print the template QR code. Or continue and delete this template.